I've gone back to our process flow now. I'm going to open our data set again, unprotect the data, then append a row. I'm not going to put in my responses because I don't know them, I'm trying to predict them, but I'll put in 5 for the size and 25,000 for circulation. We'll go analyze regression, linear regression, and we'll have to reprotect the data. Set up the model just the same as before, with responses as our dependent variable, size and circulation as our explanatory variables. And then pop down to our predictions tab and predict the original sample. One last selection, we want to choose our prediction limits here. We'll hit run. And our predictions are in our output data tab up here. All the rest of this should look identical to what it did before. In our output data tab, we have our predicted responses of 19.23. So we are predicting about 19.2 responses for an ad with size 5 inches in a newspaper with circulation 25,000. This is very slightly different to the prediction that we got when we did it by hand, because we had rounding error when we did it by hand. Remember to ignore the LCL-M and UCL-M and pop over to the LCL and UCL. This is our prediction interval, our 95% prediction interval for the number of responses for this ad. Our 95% prediction interval is 7.93 to 30.54. So we're 95% confident that the number of ad responses would be between about 8 and 30.5.